Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
It is December 2025 when I make this recording. And I know so many people are sick these days. It's the change of season from fall into winter, the air changes, the humidity changes, the weather changes. We don't know what kind of clothes to wear. So people are getting sick. I hope you're not. I hope you're doing well. If you are sick, I hope you recover quickly. If you're starting to feel sick, take care of yourself. Eat well. Get lots of fluids, drink lots, not alcohol, right? Because I do not want you to be today's expression. Sick as a dog. Check out the dialogue.
Where are you? The game starts in 20 minutes.
Oh, man. I'm sorry. I'm in bed.
Oh, you don't sound too good.
Oh, no. I'm sick as a dog. Count me out.
What a great dialogue and some really good expressions here. So the first guy's on the phone. Where are you? The game starts in 20 minutes. So evidently these two guys were supposed to go to a game, maybe a basketball game. I don't know. The other guy, his voice doesn't sound good. He says, "Oh, man, I'm sorry. I'm in bed." And the guy says, "You don't sound too good. In other words, you sound sick." And the guy says, "I'm sick as a dog." What a sad expression. Do dogs get really sick? This is an idiom, everybody. When we say I'm sick as a dog, it means that you're really, really, really sick. You're ill. Maybe you got to go poo-poo. Maybe you have a fever. Maybe your nose is like this and you can't breathe. And oh my God, I feel so sick. And your body is like, it hurts everywhere. Oh God. Yeah, that's when you're sick as a dog. Why do we say as a dog? I don't know. And I doubt any American knows. We don't know, but that's the expression we use. Don't worry about it. Seriously, use this expression. And I don't know why we say as a dog. I could Google it. I could go to ChatGPT and find it, but I don't, and I still use it, and you can do the same as me. Finally, the guy says, "Count me out." And we've studied this expression. It's such a great expression. Do not include me. I cannot go. Please forget about me. That was the dialogue. I hope you're not sick as a dog. We all get there, right? The last time I was sick as a dog, oh man, I get the man flu. Oh, I need to do that as an expression. Do you guys know what the man flu is? Yeah, I think I need to do that as an E-cubed expression. So I'll talk about that later. Stay healthy, all right? Please stay healthy. And check out the dialogue 2 more times. And together, let's master English.
Where are you? The game starts in 20 minutes.
Oh, man. I'm sorry. I'm in bed.
Oh, you don't sound too good.
Oh, no. I'm sick as a dog. Count me out.
Where are you? The game starts in 20 minutes.
Oh, man. I'm sorry. I'm in bed.
Oh, you don't sound too good.
Oh, no. I'm sick as a dog. Count me out.